So white snazaroo mixed with water around the top of the eyes. Now, so I'll do across the top of the eyes, around up to the eyebrows. I'm also going to do a little bit across the bridge of the nose, or the tip of the nose. And then we're going to follow down around the nose. For the minute, we're going to go across the top of the lip, and then the chin. So we're now going to do the tan base coat. What I'm going to try doing is use, you can see, where are we? There we go. Sponge to try and graduate around the eyes. If I could really get this done quickly, then what I'd love to do is, next time I'm at a game, is to do a sponsored face paint or a charitable face paint for kids. But of course I'd have to get it nailed really quickly. A real face is going to be a lot easier, but this is just a guide and show you how rubbish I am at it, basically. Just doing the bulk with the brush, and then if I can, I'll use the sponge, as I say, to try and graduate between the white. This is a kid's face paint, so it doesn't have to be a work of art, and it certainly won't be. But we will see.